Welcome to Techie Dialogue. Today, we'll show you how to edit the PPT template step by step. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Step 1. Open the PowerPoint presentation you wish to edit on your desktop. Step 2. In the top menu, click on the View tab, then select Slide Master. This will open the Slide Master view. Step 3. At the top of the Slide Master view, click on Edit Theme. Here, you'll find a variety of templates and themes you can switch between to update the look of your slides. Step 4. In the Background section, click on the Color option to browse and choose different colors for the slide background. Step 5. In the Font section, select the font style you prefer. If the available fonts don't suit your needs, click on Customize Fonts. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to choose both heading fonts and body fonts. Once you've made your selection, click the Save button. Step 6. To add effects to text or images, select the item you want to apply the effect to, and click on Effects to choose from various options. Step 7. In the Background Styles section, you can fine-tune the color by adjusting the brightness or darkness of the slide background. Step 8. Once you're satisfied with your adjustments, click Close Master View to exit the Slide Master and return to your presentation. Your edits to the template are now applied. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time with more videos.